Travis d'Arnaud to pinch hit to try to win this game. Bouncing ball right side, and Travis d'Arnaud comes off the bench for a comeback Braves win against the Astros. The Braves have now won 11 of their last 12.
Well, Judge gets a second infield hit. This one off the body of Mitch White.
Ricocheting towards third base. You might as well pick it up and put it in your pocket.
That was Judge's 700th career hit. Fly ball, right field, going back Judge. He's on the track. He leaps, and he makes the play. Oh, what a play by Judge.
Soto to center. Robles looks up. Gonna go! Soto's second is a Padre, and it's 2-1. San Diego.
429 feet, and this ball was squared up.
Cubs trying to win it in the 11th. Line drive, base hit. Cubs win. Contreras walks it off. 6-5 and 11, and a great win for the Cubs. And a liner that will be caught. Out goes Jeff McNeil. He says no. What a catch.
Yeah, he ran a long way for this ball. You talk about giving it your all, including your belt.
Albert again! Left center! It is gone! He's done it again! 692! He's amazing! Remarkable! Incredible! Is this real?